Hey guys, welcome back to Container Crops. You know I am the Scaredy Cat Gardener. I am not going to keep you all long. I just wanted to come on here and share one thing with you all. But before I do that, guys, if you are not subscribed to Container Crops, go ahead, subscribe, turn on that notification bell so you'll always get my videos. Give me a thumbs up and share it out. Guys, I needed to share this one thing with you all this morning. Guess what?
Yes.
Okay. Now you guys know we gotta get it open. And no, I can't just rip it open. That just won't do. So, y'all wanna see what's in here? Ooh-wee. Okay, let me see if I can get this open. Bear with me, stop rushing me, come on now. Okay. Y'all know I can't just rip it. Okay, it's coming apart pretty good, guys. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. Y'all want me to rip this open? Should I? 1, 2, 3. No way! I ought to get my hula hoop out and celebrate. Y'all think I should get my hula hoop out and celebrate because I got Happy Meal? Oh, wait, guys. Yes. Hey. Yes. Let's give it a round. Let's give it a round or two before we open up our package. What y'all think, huh? Hey.
I got Happy Meal, you ain't got none. I got Happy Meal, you ain't got. Hey, oh, I got Happy Meal, you ain't got none. I got Happy Meal, you ain't got none.
Okay, guys, I'm sorry. I had to. Okay, let's get this open. Ooh, see, that hula hoop made it come open some, y'all. We're making progress. Oh, snap, this closed right here, too. Look at it. Ooh. Oh, my goodness. See, it's not that bad. It's coming open. Yes. Okay. Oh, sticky now. Woo-hoo. I guess y'all say if she don't open the package, I'm sorry. Y'all know I can't just rip it open now. Oh my goodness. Y'all want to see what it is? Should I show y'all? You think? Oh, snap.
I got Happy Meal, you ain't got none. I got Happy Meal, you ain't got none. Yes. Ooh, I got another Scaredy Cat Gardener t-shirt. Look at the pretty blue. Yes.
And look at the pretty blue.
I got Happy Meal, you ain't got none. I got Happy Meal, you ain't got none. I got Happy Meal, you ain't got none. Hey, oh, sticky now.
Y'all better get y'all a Scaredy Cat Gardener shirt. Y'all know y'all scared. Come on. Tell me in the comments. I know you ran from something. Bug, insect, beast. Yeah, I said beast, pest, deer, possums, raccoons. Y'all know y'all ran from something. Come on now. Hornet worms like me. Come on. Hey, okay guys, thank you all so much for coming and hanging out and enjoying me opening up my Happy Mail. Anybody that would like a shirt, I will leave the link down in the description. In the meantime,
I got Happy Mail, you ain't got none. I got Happy Mail, you ain't got none.